Welcome to Day 5, English 1301 Research Project. Today is the day, I'm holding it up for you, when we fill out our research proposal. Handed out in class a few weeks ago. I hope you got one of them. If not, you can pick one up on Saturday during Saturday's class. The research proposal does a number of things for us. It gets our narrowed subject down on paper. It takes a stand so we can slant that subject one way or another. And it also has a tentative thesis statement on it. I'll be working with you individually this Saturday. I'll be asking to speak to each one of you personally and asking you to bring your proposal, your portfolio with you so I can take a look at how you fared week number 1 of this project. But I'll certainly want to see your research proposal so that I can okay your narrowed subject and I can look at the sources that you've gathered, and also I will be able to work with you to fine-tune your thesis statement. Once you set the goal, and certainly making this formal proposal sets your goal for your research, you'll find that everything else will simply flow from the setting of your goal. You've made a plan to execute that goal, and you're in the process of breaking that into daily units and completing the work hour by hour and day by day. And this is certainly the way to have research success. We know our large topic, and we have it, the broad subject of research, is to the trafficking in human beings, modern day slavery. Then we're going to narrow, as it says on the research proposal, narrow that to, here's the list. Let me read it for those of you who don't have a copy of the proposal. If you were absent today, they were handed out in class. You can get a new one on Saturday. Or you want a new copy to make your copy look beautiful, then you can get one on Saturday. But the subjects, and this is a limited list, you might be able to come up with another aspect that is not of slavery that's not on this list. But the list under proposal, we have child soldiers, we've got child labor, women and children in used for prostitution, domestic slavery, trade in vital human organs, reducing or stopping trafficking, and freeing and rehabilitating people that have been held in slavery once they're freed. So those are some aspects. And you simply have a couple of lines where you say, for my English 1301 research project, I've decided to write about, and you have 2 lines to fill in. Use the back of the page if you need more space to get your proposal, what you're writing about. And then my narrowed subject is, and that is when you commit to writing about one of these topics from the larger subject that you've narrowed it down to. And then you have got a space to put your research question. And then once I date and sign it, I'll be helping you to construct your thesis statement, which, remember, your thesis statement is nothing more than the narrowed subject of your essay and your slant. And the slant we will find from your research, the sources that you have found. We'll fine-tune that thesis statement this Saturday in class, when I work with each of you individually, so that next week we can really get started on this research project and move forward in your English 1301 research endeavor. I certainly am thrilled to see you still engaged on week number 5 in this project. you've got a very good start. And I know you're going to work day to day to build on that good start.